Good morning.
Good morning,
I am Ponish.
and I am Eklavya.
We are going to present this project made by us for the ATL Marathon 2020. We are from Army Public School, Noida, and this is the project made by us, the Crop Predictor.
Project details. Let me begin by telling you some basic details about our project. This project has been made by us to help farmers. Many a times, farmers do not know what crop best suits their land. This project can help such farmers. With the assistance of some inputs from the user, our AI can analyze the data and tell farmers what crop best suits their land.
These are some problems farmers face that we found on the internet. Problem one was that some farmers can't decide what crop to grow. Our program is made for that problem only. Our AI will advise them what crop to grow.
Problem 2. In this country, farmers have low earnings while mediators have more earnings. The solution we propose for this problem is to create a website that can sell farmer goods at no profit, thereby increasing the earnings of the poor farmers.
This is the infographic for our project. The AI type used is decision tree classifier. Programming languages used are Python, HTML, Django library for Python, which is used for web development. Marathon pillar used is economy. Extra utilities used are Sublime Text Editor, Git Bash Terminal, Google Chrome, and pip.
Now, I would like to tell you our main goal. Our first goal is to help farmers. The farmers who do not know what crop they should grow will be helped most by our project. This project uses a decision tree classifier AI to analyze the data entered by the farmers in the form. That the AI can process that data and give 99% accurate answers for what crops they should grow.
A second goal is to help farmers earn more. This project will enable farmers earn more because this will give them the most suitable crop for their land using our AI program. The farmers just have to input some values.
If agriculture is not a priority, then food can't be a priority. Health can't be a priority. A quote full of wisdom by Dr. Vinay Kumar Singh from Art of Living.
Our team, Ponish Bhatia, which is me,
He is an expert programmer specializing in Python. And Eklavya Datta, which is me. I am a good advisor, editor, and a presenter.
in this slide, I will tell some basic details about our project. It uses a decision tree classifier AI to predict the best crop for the user, and it it is made on Django and Python.
Now, we would like to express our gratitude towards the communities of Python, Django, Scikit-learn, Keras, and Sublime Text. Without their contributions, this website could not have been made.
The project stages were choosing a problem, programming, and deployment, which was done on Python Anywhere, which is a free web hosting website for Django based websites.
Now, I would like to give you the instructions for usage of our project. The first step is to go to this link.
This is the link, and I will
Yes,
enter some random values here
in the form.
in the form.
The values are supposed to be the average for the of the climate of your area. Now, let us click the submit button. The decision tree classifier AI has worked its magic and it tells us that we should grow kidney beans.
Thank you. The
Thank you.
presentation template was taken from Slidesco, and the icons were taken from Flat Icon, and the infographics and images were taken by FreePic.